Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to share images, files and folders with Dropbox. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. You can do it by using Dropbox application or with their website. So I will show you how to do it with website and with application too. Let's get started with the application. First of all, just open up Dropbox and you can find it in your tray. Click on it, and here at the very top find the folder icon and click on it. Okay, now you just need to drag your all your files, folders, images, and drop it into this folder. Just do it. Okay. Now next to the files icons, you'll see the checkmark icon, so it's good. Now you need to open up Dropbox again, and here you'll see to your files. Now you can share it, just hover your mouse over the file and click on the share button. So let's do it with this image. Click on share, and here you can copy link to this image. Link copied, and now let's try to find it. Paste it right here, and here it is. This is my image. And of course, the same thing with their website. All you need to do is just copy your files and drag it and drop right here. Loading, and that's all. Now you can just copy link to this file. By the way, to create a folder in the web version, you need to click on the create folder button at the very top. Just name it and click on create. And of course, if you want to get link to this image, just hover your mouse over this image and click on the share button and copy link. So it was a short tutorial about how to share files, images and folders with Dropbox. I think this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.